Will investing in silver pay off long term? Now, first of all, let's ask ourselves, why would people invest in silver? Now, silver is just a commodity like any other commodity. But a lot of people believe, well, hold on, silver, maybe the supply is going down or whatever. You have all these people who believe all these stories about silver. However, I'm going to make 2 points here. Point one is that in the long term, it's very unlikely that silver is going to beat other investments. Number two, there are some years where silver will outperform, but it's almost impossible to know in advance. In other words, if you look at the past, gold and silver, essentially, especially if you look at gold, right, the price of gold has been stagnant since the time of Christ. In other words, it's just risen with inflation. It's held its value. Even gold bugs, even silver bugs, they admit that gold and silver in the long term merely hold their value. They don't even come close to stock market indexes in the long term. However, it is true that there are periods of time where silver can outperform other investments. For example, from 2010 until 2011, silver absolutely shot up from it was about $15 to $20 all the way up to $49. It went up by about 300% in about 12 months. And also from 2000 until 2011, gold, like silver, both went very high. And a lot of people might look at that and say, well, surely all I have to do then is, if stocks are going to go up in the future, probably more than gold or silver, but silver can have those periods in the sun, every dog has its day and so on. Surely all I have to do is buy silver at the right time, sell it, then buy stocks when stocks are, doing badly. For example, you buy stocks in 1985, you sell them in 1999, you buy gold in 2000, then you sell gold in 2011 or 2008, and so on, right? But in reality, it's not that easy, right? If it was that easy, then surely there'd be loads of people getting 20 or 30% a year for 40 years. Surely everybody would be beating the market by just trying to time the commodities and stock markets. So I would say keep away from silver. There's no good reason to buy it. It doesn't have a yield. It doesn't produce anything. The only thing you're hoping for is that the person next to you will pay more for it than you paid for it. And really, that's a form of speculation, right? It's not actually an investment which produces anything. It's not like stocks that have a dividend yield. It's not like even property that has a yield, or should we say some rental yields, right? It's not even like government bonds that also have a yield. It doesn't produce anything. Okay, everyone, have a good day.